but we're here.
¿Que montarte para hacer directo? Okay.
2 weeks. Nice. Crab smells good. I think it smells good. I don't know what they're on. That smells nasty. I can hear her like prep it. She sounds like a frog.
Talent, low key. Y'all trying to see my talent though?
Y'all really want to see me do it?
Wait,
really
y'all trying to see my talent though? Shit.
Tengo que mirar porque
Nyo, ¿quién fue ese? ¿Quién fue ese?
Excusez-moi. Boots house down the sleigh, whatever. Excusez-moi. What? So. Oh my gosh, excusez-moi. Weird. Every last bit. More like hurricane.
Get out of my swamp.
Wait.
Uh,
That was terrible. I won.
Well, I think it's because you have to do the bottom.
Girl. Oops. Yellow.
Oh, I'm gonna throw up.
Who did? I think I pooed.
Guys.
Make a mover.
Excuse me. Literally, I'm gonna puke. Oh, that's a relief. Charlie Chaplin.
Sorry that you were feeling sad.
I can do it longer. Sorry. Tá foda. Meu Deus do céu. Não, merda, vai, Ruby. However,